Hi there, everyone. So, this is Nishi Agarwal. I'm a corporate trainer and I'm here to address a topic that is called Art of Saying No. Now, we as human beings, it gets really challenging for us to deal with certain situations and and even come up with a simple word that is no. Why do you think it happens? सो ये इसलिए होता है बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं दूसरे इंसान के इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व हैं. वी ऑलवेज हैव अ फियर कि हमें जज किया जाएगा. उसे ग्रेसफुली एड्रेस करने के बजाय हम क्या करते हैं, वी रन अवे फ्रॉम सच सिचुएशंस या फिर हम रूड हो जाते हैं. वी आर नॉट एबल टू टैकल ऑल ऑफ दीज विद इन आवर सेल्स. नाउ what are the ways that you can deal with it in a most graceful way? So the first thing is you got to apply a method that is called the sandwich method. उसमें क्या करना होता है? आपके पास जब भी ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आए जहाँ आपको लाइक लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. जैसे आपके फ्रेंड ने आपको इनवाइट किया, आपके किसी प्रोफेशनल जॉनर में आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने आपको इनवाइट किया फॉर अ बर्थडे पार्टी. नाउ you have some important meeting coming up or you have a plan of yours. Now how do you say that? Now there's the first way of saying this is, I can't come to your party, I'm really occupied. Now this sounds really rude, right? How do you make it better? So you can say, oh, I really liked the way you're doing this and you're inviting people. I would have loved to be a part of this party, but I have this important meeting coming up with somebody who's based out in abroad, or maybe it's a very important work call. Give me a chance that I'll organize something for you and let's do it some other time. Now, what happened is you just created a very very पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड, क्योंकि आपने एक मेथड अप्लाई किया जिसे बोलते हैं सैंडविच मेथड. आपने स्टार्टिंग किया एक पॉजिटिव नोट पे एंड यू एंडेड इट इन अ वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट, विच इज़ आपने स्टार्ट कैसे किया दैट ओके, आई वुड हैव लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस पार्टी, बट आई हैव एन इम्पॉर्टेंट meeting lined up. So maybe later I can organize something for you which can be a get together kind of an event. So आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इसको एड्रेस किया and the person would feel कि चलो it's fine, even if that person is not able to attend my party, later जब भी उनको टाइम मिलेगा that person can come and be a part of it. Now this is how you're supposed to do it. You can't just go very blatantly honest and say that I can't attend, I'm really occupied, what is this all for, you are not that good a friend to me. So avoiding all of these things, you can just come up with a very very polite way and use this method which is called the sandwich method, wherein you start off with a positive note, then say a no in a very mild and subtle way, and end it in a positive way by offering a solution or an assistance. So this is the first technique. The second solution is just being little empathetic and taking a pause and a break, और उसके बाद आप मना करिए. And before you do that, आप try and understand that वो person की situation क्या है, उसने क्यों ये किया है. Because majority of the times this happens in the professional setup, that you are already doing your work, your daily affair. Suddenly आपके पास एक प्रेशर आ जाता है, दिस रिपोर्ट नीड्स टू बी डन, और मे बी योर कलीग इज नॉट देयर, दैट्स हाउ आपको उनका भी काम करना है. एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज सिचुएशंस, नाउ हाउ डू यू डील विद इट. सो यूजुअली ये जो चीज़ें होती हैं ये अपर मैनेजमेंट से आती हैं आपके पास. Now you also need to understand that the upper management is also pressurized in some way or the other, and they are here to get the work done. That's how it works, that's how the ecosystem works. So आप इसको simple और sorted रख सकते हैं, that understanding the other person's situation and just saying that, sir, I'm busy with this work, and if I don't pay attention to my work, this will get affected if I take the work that you are asking for. So my own work gets affected अगर मैं ये आपका काम भी करने लग जाऊँ तो. So why not once I'm through with what I'm doing and I have some time, I'll definitely look after it and try and help you out with it. So maybe you can deal it in a way जहाँ उनको भी बुरा ना लगे, and you also feel less pressurized and handling it in the most subtle and gracious way. So this is the second technique, being empathetic and trying to understand, and then taking a pause and then saying a no, but in a very graceful way. Now, moving on to the third technique, which is um, you can come up with something like this, that you have a certain goal that is to be accomplished, and that's the reason that you are saying a no to that particular situation or that particular thing which has been asked by the person. Now, what you can come up with is that I have certain goals to meet, and I have a KRA assigned to it which needs to get completed in a certain period, and that's the reason I'm really occupied with it. So maybe once I'm through with it, then I can have a glimpse and look at it, and maybe we can both sit together and then try and understand this. So when you say that you have a goal that needs to get complete in a certain period, I'm sure that the other person would definitely understand this, because this is how the ecosystem works. और आप उसके बाद एक वो कर दें कि after that we can sit together and have a look at it, and that just makes the situation so normal, and it just mellows down the other person's emotions also, and वो एक air में बहुत सा positivity will be there. So try and this techniques and let me know if it works for you.